I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating your billing information on Freelancer is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Freelancer account using your credentials. This will take you to your dashboard where you can manage your profile and settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the settings option, usually found in the drop-down menu under your profile picture. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Navigate to billing. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the #com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update your information. Select the option to edit your billing information. Here, you can add a new credit card, update your address, or change your payment method. Make sure to double check for typos. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your information, look for a confirmation button to save your changes. You should see a message indicating that your billing information has been successfully updated. If you follow these steps, updating your billing information should be a breeze. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or run into issues.